Welcome to this well-maintained townhome in the heart of Riviera Beach, offering the perfect blend of comfort, style, and convenience. Step inside to a bright and airy interior, where a spacious, open floor plan connects the living room and dining area, ideal for both relaxing and entertaining. The two-story layout features beautiful wood-look laminate flooring throughout, paired with soft beige walls that create a warm, neutral canvas for any decor. The thoughtfully designed kitchen is both functional and stylish, equipped with stainless steel appliances, rich cherry-toned cabinetry, and granite countertops that bring a touch of elegance to the space. Just off the dining area, sliding glass doors lead to a private patio, the perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee or unwind. After a long day, upstairs, you'll find generously sized bedrooms with ample closet space, providing both comfort and functionality. Beyond the home, the community offers fantastic amenities, including a tennis court and a resort-style swimming pool, surrounded by swaying palm trees and well-kept landscaping. Located in a well-established neighborhood, this townhome offers easy access to shopping, dining, schools, and major roadways, all within one of Palm Beach County's most desirable coastal communities. This move-in-ready home isn't just a smart investment, it's a lifestyle choice you'll love coming home to.